Hi everybody, it's Connie Karr. Welcome to my channel, Cooking, Creativity, and Inspiration. Look at that. That is so yummy right there. Mmm. This is what's for dinner. Sloppy Joes. Okay, so let's get started. Right now I have a pound of ground browning in my pan here, and I've already hit it with a little salt and pepper. And I got this recipe many years ago. I think like 1988. It came in a cookbook called More Calf Fries to Caviar. And I love these cookbooks. There's one called Calf Fries to Caviar too, which you'll probably see me doing a lot of these recipes. But anyway, I'm letting that brown. And it calls for a half a cup of onion. So I've already got some chopped. And I'm going to put that in there like so. And then it calls for a half a cup of celery. Now, if you're making this recipe for more than 4 people, I would double it, simply because it's so yummy and you're probably going to want seconds. We do around here. And then if we have any left over, then we just eat it the next day. Or you can freeze it. So I've got my celery chopped up. We're going to put it in there like so. And then we're just going to stir this up real quick. Let this meat get really brown and yummy. I hope you all can see that. It's already beginning to smell really good, even with the onions. I'm going to let that brown up. Okay, so our meat is browning really well. And so what we're going to do next is put in 1 cup of tomato sauce. Just got my cup right here. Then we're going to put in a half a cup of ketchup, like so. I don't know about you guys, but I like quick and easy for dinner. This is something that you can just whip up in a hurry. You've come in from work and you're tired and you think, what am I going to do for dinner? This is a good one. We're going to stir that in just a little bit, those 2 things. So your tomato sauce and your ketchup, that kind of stir in together. So just keep your burner on where it's simmering, not extremely high and not too low. Cook in. And now, I don't know about you, but I have to have these glasses because I can't see half the time if I'm reading a recipe. But anyway, I think what we're going to need is 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. I'm just going to sprinkle that in, so a little bit for good measure. Okay, we're going to add Worcestershire sauce. We're going to add, I believe, 1 tablespoon. Like so. Then we're going to add a little bit of mustard. It calls for dry mustard, but I'm just going to put a little bit, like a teaspoon of mustard in there. Regular mustard, just like that. Mix that all together. That smells so good, you guys. You've got to try this recipe. So we're going to let this simmer a little bit and let those vegetables get nice and tender with all the ingredients we just added. That's it. I'll show you how we're going to put it together in just a second. Okay, now I'm going to show you how David and I like to eat these. So what I've done is I've melted some butter. And I'm going to butter our bread, and I'm going to put it down in the skillet, like so. Do this. Doesn't this make everything more yummy? We're going to do this little number. Okay, then you flip this over. See how golden brown they are? Buttery flavor on those. Like that. Okay, our buns are ready. So I'm going to plate this up. Now we have a house divided here. David likes his as a sandwich, like this. And I'm going to put a little coleslaw on it for him, like so. I like mine on both sides of the bread. And that's the way we eat it, or I do, anyway. Just like this. And I just use a side of pickles with mine. Look how good that is. And I'm just going to take a bite. Yep, you're going to love it. Come back for more. And don't forget to tell somebody you love them. Bye-bye for now.